Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my go-to Instagram baddie makeup look, and if you want to see how I do it, then just keep on watching. So I already moisturized my face like 10 minutes ago. I'm going to be using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is a matte one, I think. It's a smooth and blur primer, but like it feels like matte. For my nose, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. putty primer, and I'm going to be using two primers for my nose just because makeup doesn't like to stay on my nose that well. Top of that, I'm going to use the Smashbox primer again. I'm putting the Smashbox primer on top just so that everything's like the same texture on my face. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this ColourPop pomade. This is in the color black and brown. Filling in the empty parts on my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Brow Obsession palette and just filling in my eyebrows with a powder. I know this eyebrow looks crazy, but I'm going to clean it up right now with concealer, so it doesn't really matter. The powder just makes your eyebrows look fuller. Honestly, this look doesn't take a long time just because there's not eyeshadow involved, but there is eyeliner, so it might take a while if you're not good with eyeliner. And then to set my eyebrows down, I'm going to be using the Milani Stay Put brow gel. This is just so that the powder and eyebrow pomade can stay on all day, because powder tends to come off easily, so if you set them, they'll stay on for longer. Cleaning up my eyebrows with this Milani concealer. I like to use this concealer for my eyebrows just because it's like a thicker concealer, I guess, rather than other concealers that I'm going to be using for my face. This one is just thicker, and I think it makes your eyebrows look more cleaned up and stuff. So I just cleaned up the eyebrows, and as you could tell, they look way better than they did before because of the concealer. That's why I was trying to say, like, this concealer I think makes them look cleaner and like way better than another concealers that I've tried for my eyebrows. So to get my eyelids ready for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this concealer, and I'm just going to be putting this on my eyelid. I like to use concealer for my eyelid just because I want my eyes kind of bright. I just think that this works better than putting foundation on my eyes, or like not putting anything on your eyes. So I'm blending this in with a BH Cosmetics brush. It's like a thick packing brush. I like to use it for my eyes because it's better than a beauty blender and can fit way more in like your crease. I just like to press everything all in. To avoid my eyelids from creasing, I'm just going to be setting this concealer on top of my eyelid with some powder and pushing it in. Honestly, if I weren't to set my eyelids would be creased like 10 minutes into wearing my makeup. So this just helps your makeup stay on way better. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a while, and then I'm gonna brush it off. So before I do my wing, I'm gonna be tightlining my eyes with this Araceli eyeliner. And what tightlining is just like lifting up your eyelid and putting eyeliner on the top. This helps for when you put on your eyelashes, that it just looks more natural, and like you won't see like a gap between your eyelashes and your real lashes. So for my wing, I'm just going to be using the NYX matte eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner. This is like the only one I use. I need to find a waterproof one though. So if you know any good waterproof eyeliners, let me know in the comments. Now that I did my eyeliner, the next thing I'm going to be doing is my face. So I'm going to be using this Infallible foundation. And this is a really good foundation. It's just like, it's really like thin and watery though compared to other ones. Going back in with the e.l.f. concealer, put it under my eyes. This video, I'm going to be showing you how to like snatch your face and contour. So we're just gonna put it in all of these spots just to brighten up your face. And then to contour, I'm gonna be using this Physicians Formula sculpting bronzer, and I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks for right now. And then I'm gonna put it on my forehead, but I just wanna do my cheeks first just so it doesn't dry out. So this is my first time using a brush to blend out the contour, and honestly it's working way better than the beauty blender, because the beauty blender takes forever kind of And this is actually working way better. Now I'm going to be doing my forehead, contouring my nose. Honestly, I think I'm going to put just a little bit more concealer just to freshen everything up. By doing this, it'll get like rid of the creases under my eyes that I didn't get a set yet. The reason I like to use the e.l.f. concealer is because it's like a thinner consistency to put under your eyes, and like if you put a thick one under your eyes, it'll crease like way worse, and it's just way better to blend out. So now we're gonna set using the airspun powder, and for right now I'm only gonna be setting under my eyes. And be sure to push like this under your eyes to set the concealer. Now I'm gonna be using the Hoola bronzer and putting this on top of the contour I just put on my face with a fluffy brush. I know that all my makeup looks crusty like when I put it up to the camera and stuff, and it's kind of embarrassing, but that's how makeup gets. And also, if you have like too much bronzer on your brush, you could like put it on your jawline and stuff. And then I'm gonna be cleaning up all of this contour with some powder. This is gonna make the contour look way better. And then I'm just gonna be setting all of the rest of my face. And I've decided that I'm gonna be using these lashes. These are on this tray because I put all the lashes that I like took out of this package on this tray so that I could reuse them again. These lashes are, I'm not sure where these lashes are from, to be honest, but I know that it came like in a big pack. And by the way, I did put on mascara off camera. I just forgot to show that. I'm so mad because I really just pulled the wrong string on my eyelashes when I was trying to take off the glue. I pulled the wrong string and I just messed them up. If you know, you know. For my lower lashes, I'm gonna be using the smallest mascara that I have. When you put mascara on your lower lashes, it just helps with your whole eye to come together because you have long top lashes and you have long bottom lashes, so then it just makes your eyes look bigger. For highlight, I'm gonna be using this Juvia's loose highlight, and I like to use the loose highlight when I do looks like this because it just like gives you like a really good highlight. That's a lot. I need to take some of this off the brush. Oh my god. I'm also gonna be using this for my brow bone. I'm gonna put it onto a little brush like this. I'm gonna spray it. I'm also gonna be putting this highlight in my inner corner. And then to set my face, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Cucumber setting spray. Oh, it's coming out all ugly. And to be honest, I usually don't wear lip color on my lips, so I'm just gonna take off the foundation I got on my lips and just use a lip gloss. The reason I don't like to use lip color is because I always gotta like apply it and stuff, and that kind of gets annoying. So, and I feel like just not using a lip color looks better, to be honest. So I guess I'll just use this Burt's Bees lip oil just because it's shiny like a lip gloss, and just like that. And this is the completed look and how it looks. So this is the completed look, and this is my go-to makeup look just when I don't feel like doing like eyeshadow and stuff, because usually I don't have time for eyeshadow, but this is it, and it's like really simple to do. Also, another thing was I wanted to know what you guys thought about the camera setup, because I honestly think that it was too high up, but I wanted to try something different. So if you guys would let me know what you think, then I'd really appreciate it. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like and be subscribed to my channel so you can see when I upload next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.